Hi guys!
Hello!
Hello!
We are here at the plant nursery in Switzerland and we are testing our new prototype for a heater and cook stove. This is Nicholas, a student at the university, and he's doing his project work on our cook stove. And we'd like to show you around what we are doing here.
At So's house we built a combined heater cooker, and which worked quite well for heating, but it was a bit difficult to cook in summer because it got too hot and the firebox was too big. It wasn't very good for cooking. So now in this second prototype we took the both functions apart. We have a cooker now, this one here. This part is just a cooker. For cooking in summer you only need to heat up this part. And in winter, when you want to have warm in your house, we have the heater part. The heater part is this part over here. And it can be used separately from the cooker part. We will demonstrate the cooking part today for you, how it works.
So, we are trying to cook a traditional hamon or red sow meal here with our own tools.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the wood in here. We don't have bamboo, but we're trying it with this. And you can actually put everything in onto the top till it's full. And then, quite important, you should start light the fire from above, because it burns better and you don't need that much wood to get the water boiling. It's important that you have at least some wood above the thing you use to light your fire up. Alright, now it starts burning and we're waiting until the water boils.
So, we're going to cook 1 bowl of rice, which means that we need 2 bowls of water. And very important, we also put the lid on top because this saves wood also. It's more efficient.
So, because we want to find out if this is the best possible cooker or if there's anything we could improve, we use a lot of measurement equipment here. And I will show you now what the kind of measurement things we're using. Firstly, this piece here, over here, goes over here to this machine. This is for measuring the exhaust gas quality. How much emissions we are putting out, how good the fire burns. This little device measures that. It can tell us how good the fire burned. Now the second thing we're using is we put a lot of temperature measurement devices, thermal
Thermocouples.
elements, into the cooker. And all these little cables that are coming out of the walls are
Thermocouples.
thermocouples. There to measure the temperatures inside the cooker, outside the cooker. So we can see how fast it heats up, and we record all the temperatures on this computer here. And the last thing we're using is the infrared camera. Here we can see how hot the outside of our stove or the heater is at the moment. It's still quite cold because we only just lit up the fire. So all the smoke is going up the chimney. Nothing is in the house. You can see it clearly even when we take away the pot. The smoke still goes up into the chimney. There's a lot of draft going upwards.
So this is the chimney here. It goes outside the house. Now let's have a look outside. Here you see the chimney coming out of the house. If it wasn't cloudy, you would see smoke coming out. Now the water is cooking and we can add the rice.
It now took about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more, until the water was boiling.
Here is the hottest place of the cooking plate, but we will move now the rice to the back where it's less hot. And here we'll start with the vegetables. Now it's time to cook the vegetables. maybe there is even space for a third pot. The rice is still nicely simmering. Now the rice is ready. And we are still cooking our vegetables. Here we are cooking pumpkin. And the greens here are pepper. Now the food is ready.
On the back side of the stove we have two small storage chambers where we could put wood before we use it in the oven. Now you've seen us testing the cook stove. What do you think of it? Do you have any improvements, ideas what we could do better?
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye. Bye bye. A good time.